Mopogore kod mano wadhi nyaka e kaunti ma Migori kama yudo kanyo koni jopuonj machiwo tiegruok kanyo ne jopuonjre ma bende koro nitiere kar tiegruok kama Migori County Vocational Training koro ne ogodwone gi piny sirikal ka gidwaro mar mondo mi koro chwal gi ngas mamalo mag telo ka giyango kanyo ni thothgi osebedo kanyo kidienje ma piny mag tije e buthulo mar higni 6 nyaka higni 15 gino ma giyango ni osebedo kanyo ka koro goyo chunygi malich mokalo. Negibago romo Migori County kanyo eko ka migawo mochung' ne weche go mag somo e county ma Migori mar mondo mine gichiw ng'ur margi no mondo ne kaka inyalo chalo gi e chenro kata ngas mamalo mag tich kaka yo achiel mar medo gi mijing'o mar dhi nyime kod tich e county no endo kata kar tiegruok no endo ma Migori County Vocational Training Center.
To pursue the right of each and every instructor who is employed by the county government. So our desire is to get the promotion. So far, we don't understand where the stagnation is coming from, and we believe His Excellency the Governor, wherever you are, we know you are a master of law, you are a doctor, you understand matters pertaining to law, and we all know that a justice delayed is a justice denied. Justice delayed is justice denied. Justice delayed is justice denied. So we see that our justice for promotion is being denied. His Excellency, we therefore request that you move with speed to ensure that our promotion is granted. I know after this there will be a lot of intimidation. We want to say without any fear of contradiction that we are here knowing very well that the right to speak, the right to picket, the right to pursue our promotion is enshrined in the Constitution. Therefore, I want to say, the faster you move, His Excellency, the faster these confusions will stop.
We have been due for promotion since 2017. We haven't been promoted, and this is our right. And we are not requesting the county government to promote us. It is our right. We are due for promotion, and we have been denied from the Department of Education. I don't know who is sleeping on his job or on her job, but we are being told that our promotions are still in the process from 2017 to date. We don't know whether the process of promotion takes 7 years or 8 years. We were due since 2017. Now we are demanding as a team from vocational training centers within Migori County so that we be promoted with immediate effect, or else we'll put our tools down and we see the way forward. If it is the legal action or the political action. Just dilly-dallying. They are managing us. The minister herself ran away from the department. The chief officer, we have not found her in her office. The directors are just managing us as they usually manage us. Now, we are due for promotion. Every other department has been promoted twice. This is not the first time we are coming here for our promotion. This is the 50th time. I don't know. I can't quantify. Now, what is our ideal goal? The promotion letters. Without it, we put our tools down.